Casey's RV Resort in Westford, Oregon. Got the trailer all set up there. Here's the Willamette River. And you can see you got a kind of like a rocky beach. Earlier in the year we came here, that was all underwater. And as you see, the sky is very smoky. The wind is blowing the smoke in our direction. Willamette River. As you see, we've got a forest fire up here. And here's a little trail right here along the edge of the river. That will take you down to this rocky beach. Of course, this only shows up during the summer when the water's low. When fall gets here and the rains return, this will all get filled up with water. There it is. It's got a little bit of sand right there. It's mainly just a bunch of round rocks for a beach. And it's not quite as smoky out here this morning. You can see those clouds a lot better. I mean, excuse me, clouds. You can see that mountain right there a lot better. And right there is where our RV's at, and that's where we're camping. Tried some fishing here, but had no luck. So we're going to head out towards Fall Creek, but we heard that it was closed due to wildfires. So we're going to head up Windberry Creek instead. Here we are, Windberry Creek, trying our luck on fishing. There's fish in there, but they're small. None of them actually got hooked, but you can see them. The water's pretty clear. And of course, you can see what teenagers do to our landscape. You gotta graffiti it up, ruin it for everybody else. Well, anyway, this is Windberry Creek. An example of one of our large trees out here in Oregon. This one fell across the road. There goes Amtrak. What's for dinner? Ribeye and baked potatoes. There's the fire on the other side of Hills Creek Reservoir. I don't know if you can see the flame or not in there. There's the flame. Yeah, Hills Creek Reservoir on the east side is on fire. You can see the smoke. I don't know if it shows up on camera or not, but it's kind of orange above the tree line. See, you can see it over there. Smoke coming out of the trees. That's where the fire is at. I don't know if the camera picks it up or not, but you can see an orange hue above the tree line.
See flames.
See if I could zoom in from here. There's the flames. Right now it just looks like it's just burning along the forest floor. And it is raining out here today, so that'll be a good help.
Hey, Cinnamon. How you doing there, Cinnamon?
Yep, there's the fire on the other side of the Hills Creek Reservoir, and I'll zoom in on those flames. Yeah, see all the smoke rising off through the trees. You can see another fire right there. You don't see the flames, but you see a lot of smoke coming up. I don't know if the camera picks it up or not, but the sky is kind of orangey. For a while there, Oregon was in a drought, and these reservoirs up in the Cascades had a hard time getting filled up. And while it was sitting so low, you can see all these trees have grown. Now that we're getting a lot of rain and better snowpack, they're able to fill the reservoirs, and you can see that those trees are starting to get submerged. And if this reservoir gets completely full, the water should be all the way up here to where this dead tree is, log laying down. That's how full it gets when it's at capacity. And as you can see right over there, that's where the fire is at. This is Hills Creek Reservoir. Okay guys, I think I'll end the video right here. I know it was kind of choppy being put together, but we mainly came out here to try our luck on fishing, and we caught very small ones. We couldn't catch any keepers, and there was also some wildfires around. There was 2 big ones. As this video gets posted, they're down to 90% contained, so they're saying they're in mop-up stages. So hopefully those fires will be out soon completely. Those fires were actually are far away from us, except for one at Hills Creek. As you can see, it was on the other side of that reservoir. That was pretty close, and they did have the road blocked at the other end of the reservoir, so you couldn't go up in the mountains. Well, anyhow, I guess I'll end it right here, and I'll catch you guys on the next RV trip. Bye.